What's up guys, here are 500 applications you will love to try cause I did too. If you're looking for a clean expense tracker that will make you come back to it multiple times a day, check out Stack Neo Expense Tracker. It has a bold neo-brutalist design that stands out from the usual finance apps, but it's still easy to navigate. You can quickly log income and expenses, organize them with categories and notes, and even try the pro version. You can attach digital receipts for better record keeping. It also supports multiple wallets, so whether you are tracking bank, cash, or credit cards, Stack also gives you useful tools. You can create weekly, monthly, or custom budgets, and the app lets you know when you are getting close to your limit before you overspend. You get detailed charts to help you understand where your money is going, while on-device encryption keeps your financial data private. You can also back up or move your device locally, or if you prefer cloud sync, you can sign in. If you read a lot of PDFs, PageSage is built to make the experience much more enjoyable. So instead of just opening documents, it helps you stay focused with a reader mode that turns dense PDF pages into a cleaner reading layout. You can tap a word for an offline dictionary with definitions, pronunciations, and synonyms, highlight text in different colors, add bookmarks, switch between multiple reading themes, and choose between vertical scrolling or page flipping. And best of all, it works completely offline with no ads and no accounts, and only accesses the files you choose to import. You can save unfamiliar words and review them later using spaced repetition, track your daily reading goals, and even translate words or sentences in over 50 languages after downloading language packs. You can also scan physical books into searchable PDFs using on-device OCR, so nothing gets uploaded to the cloud. There are optional packs that let you sign and edit PDFs, merge documents, customize the app with more themes and icons, and even turn your favorite quotes into shareable image cards. Now here is an exciting one. If you want to give your phone a fresh look without changing your entire launcher, HyperLockscreen and AOD is worth trying out. It lets you customize both your lock screen and always-on display with a modern, layered design that creates a depth effect. You can personalize the clock with different fonts, colors, and styles, replace wallpapers, choose between 12-hour and 24-hour formats, and even enable animated clock transitions for a more polished look. The app also makes it easy to control how everything behaves. You can switch the depth effect on or off at any time and enjoy smooth transitions between the lock screen and the always-on display. Rather than overwhelming you with complicated settings, it focuses on a handful of visual upgrades that can make your phone feel more personal and modern, especially if you're looking for a lock screen that stands out. And here is one application that has solved a small headache on my phone. If you've ever dismissed a notification by mistake or wished you could get it back, Notic is an app you must have. It automatically saves your incoming notifications, giving you a clean history that you can browse anytime. So instead of digging through a crowded notification shade, everything is neatly organized in one place, making it easy to catch up on messages, updates, and alerts you might have missed. So it doesn't stop the notification pop-ups, it only cleans the notification shade. Notic also makes finding specific notifications quick and easy. You can filter your history by individual apps, search for keywords to locate old alerts, and keep track of unread notifications without the clutter. Swiping left marks the notification as read. The interface is simple and easy to navigate, focusing on the essentials without unnecessary extras. And so if you want a reliable way to manage your notifications and avoid losing the important information, this app is practical and that is worth keeping. Now everyone has their preference when it comes to to-do applications, and this one called Coche has a clean, distraction-free design with bold light and dark themes plus customizable accent colors to match your style. And on the core, creating tasks is quick. You can organize them with nested subtasks, and that is the main functionality of this app. You can add tags, priority levels, reminders, and recurring schedules. It also supports single dates, date ranges, or multiple dates for the same tasks, making it flexible enough for both daily planning and long-term projects. And as I mentioned, the core functionality being nested subtasks, so you can create tasks and add subtasks to it and tick them as done as and when you complete them. Coche also includes a full calendar view, so you can easily browse tasks by day or select an entire date range with a simple drag. It also supports labels. You can create as many as you like, easily scroll through dates to view previous tasks, and tasks can be reordered by dragging them into place. And also, if you have any app suggestions for me to check out, you can send an email, leave a comment, or send me a DM on Instagram. And if you missed my top 10 picks for July 2026, click on the card at the top right corner or at the end screen. Consider subscribing to the channel, drop a thumbs up on the video, and as always, thank you for watching.